In this demo, you'll learn how a contact requests portal access when the portal is inactive. This demo uses this contact. Before you begin, configure the email notifications. Go to Settings, then configure System Settings. Go to the Portal tab and add email addresses. For admin users, then save. If left blank, all admins will be notified. Now use the contact. Attempt to log into the portal. The contact logs in using their email, even if the portal is inactive. They see a request access prompt. Enter the name and request access. Once the request is sent, an email is sent to the address configured in the portal notifications.